Hello there. Today is an exciting day for me because I received a package in the post a few days ago from an amazing YouTuber friend of mine in Australia, Sue Kleinschmidt, and she sent me some plastic cups, the same ones or similar ones to what Fiona Art uses to make her flowers, which I usually use bottle bottoms for, and she got her husband to cut the bottom out of one of them for using as an open cup, which I'm really looking forward to trying. So thank you, Sue, for these. I'm really hoping that I get some great results from them. And I have put my placemat again onto my Lazy Susan or cake spinner, and I'm going to pop this into the middle of it. I have put down Prussian blue already as a base. I'm not sure exactly where the middle is, but that looks pretty good. And I am going to pour some paint over that and then put a piece of table napkin over it and do a reverse dip. And the colours I'm using today are pearl white, and this has a pouring medium added of mine which has silicone or dimethicone in it. And the other two colours I'm using with that pearl white are Montmartre Old Mauve and Extreme Sheen 24 Karat Gold. So I'll get started now. is certainly very gold. A lot golder than what I expected. I actually expected more of the old mauve to come out. After my last use of the pearl white, I put as much on as I could, but it still hasn't come to the forefront. But I'm going to torch now, and of course that's going to probably bring it up a lot more. But I'm just loving the shape of that. I'm loving the colours. So I'm going to see now how many cells I can actually bring up because of the pouring medium with my dimethicone in it that I've got in the white. There's not many coming through. There's a lot of bubbles being popped, but oh, I'm so pleased with that. I probably could have got away with half the paint because there's still a lot of paint on here, but the colour is just beautiful, and there are a lot of tiny little cells, and of course the lacing. Absolutely love the lacing from the white and the gold. The gold, 24 karat gold, certainly does a lot of that as well. So I'm going to leave it like that. It is very pretty. I will bring it up to the light now so that you can have a closer look at it and see the pretty colours. I'm picking when it dries. The gold is going to be so beautiful and shiny, and it really is quite the most vibrant colour in this. I'll just take it around very quickly so that you can see the edges. At least I hope you can. I still don't know whether or not you can see it very well, but I just take a deep breath and hope. So that is my first attempt at the cups that Sue sent me, and I'm going to have a lot more attempts at that to try and get half as good as what Fiona Art is at making these flowers, because it's just so satisfying to do. And that's it for me for this video. Thank you very much for joining me, and I'll see you next time.